What's up, everybody? So today we are going to try and get the brake system done on this old car finally. And unfortunately, while we was at our real job, oh, finger all up in the way. This front tire here decided it was done with life and blowed up. It said boom. So it needs new tires now. But with the kit we ordered, it did not come with that one piece. So we couldn't finish installing the brake lines. We got right here. Here's our last two connections, which is this one and the brake, or the one with the coil on it. Yeah, I've got a new light. That's cool. And then we have a T to put on here, here, and here. So we have all our vacuum like we need it. Let's get into this and see if we can finish this deal today. And then we got to bleed the brakes and then blah yada yada yada. Alright, so we're going to get the car jacked up again so we can get under it. We got to put a put this rear clip on the brake hose for the axle. So y'all hold on. Alright, so now we got that clip put on the back rubber brake line. He's taking the tire off over there. I can't reach it. I'm going to slide this brake line back, loosen that clip up, slide it back. And then we'll tie those two together and the lines will be done finally. I'm going to slide under the car. Alright, I know that was horrible, but that was pretty bad. We got our lines run, pulled up and everything here. Now we're ready to make our connection. Just set my phone in here somehow. I just don't want to live there. Right here. Maybe y'all can see what I'm doing.
You have to sit down in the car, huh?
Yeah. Alright, got this done. Ugh, damn right in the face. That's tight. That's tight. Get it off that just a little bit. Yeah. That's good. Alright, well, with that, I guess the brake lines is finally done. Alright, folks, so now we're fixing to pop this top off the reservoir. Yeah. Finally put the first fluid in it. How's it go? Do what? Finally. Woo, fancy. It's branded new. See where we got leaks at. I'm sure we're gonna have leaks. Should have leaks if you done it wrong or something.
To keep that filled up.
Mm-hmm. We got a lot of foot line to go through.
Yeah. You gonna cap it or you gonna try to? Yeah, we'll cap it. It's easier going back together than it was coming apart.
Yeah.
Let me get a wrench to lead these brakes. Alright, so back at it again today. We finally found some leaks up here where we connected our lines to the proportion block. About got all that straightened out, so we're in the process of bleeding brakes.
Yeah, and we're not gonna put that on video because who wants to hear us say, yeah, no, yeah, yeah. But yeah, we believe we got most of the leaks contained anyways.
Some of the lines were a little loose, but
yeah,
I got that straightened out.
This deal has been a 2-day venture. So we're gonna continue on and
that's it. Continue on.
Continue on. See if we got all the calipers bled, but we're having trouble with one of them in the rear. So that's what we're gonna work on now. Would say hope you enjoy, but we ain't gonna let y'all watch that.
It's boring stuff.
Yeah. So we'll turn the camera back on when we get that done. Thank you.